Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by picking a reputable VPN so your traffic is actually private. Choose one with 250 6-bit encryption and a strict no-logs policy. Once selected, create an account and subscribe to the plan that fits your device count. After paying, download the native app for your platform, Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android, or get the correct router firmware. Make sure to save credentials in a secure password manager, because you will use them to authenticate the connection in the next step. Now install and open the VPN app, accept necessary permissions, and let it update so you run the latest security fixes. Choose a VPN protocol, WireGuard for fast, modern performance, or OpenVPN for wider compatibility, and pick a nearby server for low latency. Then enable critical features. The kill switch to stop traffic if the VPN drops, DNS leak protection so queries stay private, and auto-connect on untrusted Wi-Fi. These settings make sure your privacy persists across every network you join. Finally, verify the VPN is working. Run an IP and DNS leak test to confirm your visible IP and DNS match the VPN server location. Once verified, use split tunneling if you need only specific apps routed through the VPN and keep your browser, mail, and banking apps protected. If the connection drops or pages fail to load, switch protocol, pick a different server, or reinstall the app. And remember to check firewall or router settings. These fixes resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.